In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace logo in Inkscape. We're turning a regular image of a logo into a clean, scalable vector, perfect for print, web, or any size without losing quality. First, launch Inkscape on your computer. Once it opens, either create a new document or open an existing one, whichever you prefer to work in. Now, head up to the File menu, choose Import, and select the logo file you want to trace. Common formats like PNG and JPEG work just fine. After the logo appears on your canvas, click it with the Selector tool, the arrow icon. You can press the S key as a shortcut. You should see a bounding box around the image. That confirms it's selected and ready to trace. Next, open the tracing controls by going to the Path menu and choosing Trace Bitmap. This panel is where all the vector magic happens, and there are two main routes depending on your logo. If your logo is black and white, a silhouette, or mostly solid shapes, choose the Single Scan tab and select Brightness Cutoff. This method creates one clean path from the contrast in the image. Adjust the threshold slider to control how much detail is captured. Higher values include more of the image, which can help pick up thin strokes, while lower values reduce stray artifacts and noise. Take a moment to nudge the slider until the edges in the preview look crisp. If your preview is showing too many speckles, try lowering the threshold. If you're losing parts of the design, raise it slightly. For colored logos, switch to the Multicolor tab and choose Colors. Set the number of scans to the number of distinct colors in your logo, plus one for the background. For example, if you see 3 obvious colors, enter 4. This tells Inkscape how many layers to build to recreate the design accurately. Check. Remove background so your result has a transparent backdrop, which is especially useful if you'll place the logo on different colors later. Use live updates if your computer handles it smoothly, or click Update Preview to refresh manually. Previewing helps you fine-tune scans without committing. When the preview looks right, click Apply or OK. Inkscape will create a new vector version directly on top of your original image. That's expected and means the trace is complete. You now have a vector logo you can scale cleanly and refine further if needed. That's the full process for tracing a logo in Inkscape.